So, good morning, my sir. I just would like to know what's your name, please?
Good morning, Claude,
Where you are from?
Switzerland.
Switzerland.
Yes.
So that's really nice. This is the first time you're coming here in Egypt.
Oh no, no. Around I come in Egypt around from 50 years, around 2-3 times in the years.
Wow, that's very nice.
Yes, I like so much Egypt.
Is there something special here in Egypt that you like it so much that you're coming many times per year?
I think for me the first I like so much is the Egyptian people first. The life, the beautiful of the sun and the beach. That's the most important.
Yeah. And
the sea.
And the sea.
Of course.
And why you are coming here every time? This is something special you're doing here? You don't find all over the world, or?
My first pleasure is diving.
Diving.
Is diving, yes. And I have lucky. I found a very nice diving center here, with a very nice staff. Yeah. And for this I come here from long time.
That's very nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, very nice. And what are you doing per day? Just when you're not diving, for sure. How you spend your day after the diving?
After diving, okay, I like to walk in the city, to speak with Egyptian people, to know the life from Egypt. I think it's very important to know a little the people, not just to come here for holidays and make nothing.
And when you move in the streets, there is something special you see, or?
At this time, in the first time, it was very special to see the streets in Egypt, the first time. But in this time, I think I know good. First, the street, the shop. I like to stop in the shop to buy spices or something.
So you have everything, whatever you like, you found always in Egypt here.
I think so. Yeah. That's my holiday.
Yeah, it's very nice. For Egyptian people here, is there a really nice culture you have, or there is some bad things happen to you, or everything is safe, everything is nice, you can found here in Egypt?
I think bad thing you don't found in Egypt. You found all time nice people first, and you can speak with the people. That's nice. You need to make the first step.
Yeah.
That's normally.
Yeah. But
the Egyptian people open the arms so nice, and the heart, very good heart.
That's very nice. This is from our pressure for you to we need you always coming here, because this is very nice, you see.
For this I come here for so long time.
Yeah. Right. You always coming here alone, or you always have some families coming with you?
I come a lot with my family, with my wife. Before with my son, I make a lot of diving safari here in Egypt with my son. My son, it's same he dive a lot. And same, we are a little diving center by us in Switzerland, but we are more happy here to dive. The Red Sea is so nice and so nice color.
So the Red Sea, you can say that the Red Sea one of the best dive sites in all over the world?
I think in the world, yes, it's the best. For the color, not for the biggest fishes, but for the color, it's the best area, the Red Sea. Yes, of course.
This is this is our pressure for sure, that you're always feeling happy here in Egypt, and you always have something special that you always need to come back. But
I will come back, no problem.
You always come back.
We come back in July, the next time.
That's very nice. This is very nice. Yeah, welcome for sure. Thank you for your day, and I hope to you that you have a very nice time here in Egypt.
You too.
And
I hope we see us the next time. Thank you very much.
For sure. Thank you so much.
I gotta go now.
Mein Name ist Doreen, ich bin das zweite Mal hier in Ägypten, habe eine schöne Zeit gehabt bis jetzt, Wetter ist toll, die Leute sind total nett, ich war shoppen in der Stadt und alle Leute sind total nett, es ist überhaupt nicht gefährlich und wenn ich wieder nach Hause komme, werde ich auf jeden Fall allen Leuten, die mir begegnen, meinen Freunden erzählen, wie schön es hier ist und dass es sich auf jeden Fall lohnt, hier nach Ägypten zu kommen. Ne? Wir haben hier viel erlebt, wir waren tauchen, wir waren surfen, überhaupt das Tauchen ist total eine total schöne Erfahrung. Unter Wasser ist alles atemberaubend, viele Fische zu sehen und ja, wie gesagt, das Team vom Diving Center ist total toll. Was kann man noch sagen? Das ist auf jeden Fall alles lohnenswert, sich hier herzubegeben. Hat geklappt. Okay, ist auf jeden Fall eine atemberaubende und wundervolle Erfahrung, hier in Ägypten zu sein. Das erste Mal getaucht, ne? Deswegen. Ich bin das erste Mal getaucht und es war wirklich eine wundervolle und schöne Erfahrung.
What's your name?
Rebecca.
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 From where?
Germany.
Germany.
Yes.
First time that you visit Egypt?
Yeah, the second time.
Second time?
Yeah.
Hurghada, Sharm el-Sheikh, Dahab?
Hurghada is.
Hurghada.
Yes.
Okay. Did you have some nice memory in Egypt?
The people are very friendly here. Here diving is cool, or surfing, and we kite 2 days. It was very funny. Yes.
So it means that you tried diving before?
Yeah. No. Yes. The first time I diving.
How it was?
Very good. Yes. Interesting. The colors under the water. Very good. Yes. The fish are beautiful.
Really?
Yeah.
And did you visit the city outside? Did you go outside of the hotel and you visit the city?
Yes, one day we were shopping the day long. It was very good, and the price is good. No? For German people.
That's the most important.
Yes.
And the people, they are friendly to you?
Yes. Yes. When you go and they come, you say no, thanks, then they go, and it's okay.
And did you feel safe?
Yes, yes. It's the same in Germany.
Nothing happened?
Yes.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Okay, did you will come back to Egypt again?
Yeah. Yes, I come back.
What you will tell the German people when you come back to Germany?
It was good. Sun, water, diving, this and so.
Did you will invite them to come to Egypt again? You will ask them to come to Egypt
Yes,
again?
yes, yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
That's really good.
Yeah.
You don't know when you can come back again?
Yeah. I don't know. I think next year in January I come back here.
I have to tell you it was a pleasure for me to talk to you, and all Egypt happy that you are here, and hope to see you in Egypt again.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, good morning from sunny Egypt. We are animation. I'm Valentina from Italy. I'm the chief animation here in this hotel. We are in Hurghada, and I live in Egypt from 3 years, and I love this country. I work in other countries like Greece, but I found here in Egypt very nice people, very nice weather for sure. And I love my work, I love my job. And here in this hotel we make a lot of activity, like stretching, boccia, volleyball, dart, Latino and belly dance course. Yoga, Zumba, what else? No, activities, it's all. And in the evening we make every day different show. We make a dance show, for sure, like Greece show, some musical show, some modern dance, like hip-hop. And then we make some classic, like Lord. Then we make some mic show, like Miss and Mr. Hotel. Then we make some games, like bingo, music quiz. Sometimes we let the guests dance, but almost of them they are lazy to dance, so we just dance. And after we have every night disco, but now at the moment we don't have too much guests, but we hope they will come here. Now I will present for you some of my team. Prego, enjoy.
Hello, my name is Masha, I'm from Russia. Now with Russia is very, very cold, it snows, so I decided to come here to work in Egypt. Like 5 years I dreamed about work in Egypt because of sun. Here I met a lot of good people, nice people. I love my team, everybody here is my friend. And also I met a lot of Egyptian people. They're also very friendly, kind. If you need help, you can ask them and they will help you. Here, my favorite thing in my work is dance. I like dance so much. We have a lot of dances. We dance 24 different dance. Yes, we have 3 dance shows in a week. So it's very good for me. Also, we have kids club for kids. There we play with them some games. Watch cartoons, yes. What else? I love kids, so I like to be in kids club every day. But now there are no kids. It's very bad. But we are waiting. Yes, also we have mini disco for kids. We have very nice costumes with big head. One of them is Mickey Mouse and one dog. Yes, they're very nice. Children love them. Now it's turn to my best friend Sveta. She is also from Russia and he wants to tell you something.
Добрый день, меня зовут Света, я из России. Я работаю аниматором в Хургаде, в отеле. Я уже нахожусь здесь около 2 месяцев. Вот, я обожаю свою работу, обожаю эту страну. Вот. У нас здесь очень много активити. Это волейбол, дартс, боча, йога-курс, латино-курс. Вот.
My name is Anna-Karina and I'm from Denmark. It's my first time in Hurghada and I just came here yesterday actually. I bought the trip after the incident and the main strip because I think that it's very important that we actually support the Egypt people. The thing is that we have to remember ourselves that back home we have a lot of issues too. Last time I went here, when I got home, there was this terrible terrorist attack in Paris, and people still go to Paris, so I don't understand why they don't go here and enjoy the sun. You know, people want to let us know that we have to be safe here, that they are aware that we are not feeling that safe, but they do their best. So please come here and support the Egypt people.